The anti-militancy operations in Manipur are being carried out more extensively, especially in the Fring and the vulnerable hills and the valley districts, with security forces achieving major recoveries of the arms and ammunition in this operation against the disturbing scenes of the unrest and breakdown in the law and order situations. The security personnel recover one cache of weapons during the search operations in the Laimaram of Bishnupur district, comprising one SLR with magazines and one 303 rifles, 2 live ammunition rounds, 7 HE-36 grenades, 2 tube launchers, 1 grenade arming ring, 1 walkie-talkie sets along with a charger, 2 stun grenades, and others miscellaneous items. Another operations in the Ikau Mulam, Kangpopi district shows the recovery of 1 bolt-action rifle, 1 improvised projectile launchers, 8 live ammunitions, 1 improvised mortar, 2 live projectiles, 1 12-inch live cartridge, and 1 ammunition pouch. These operations underpins the increasing efforts on the part of the security forces towards preventing further violence in the region. Apart from these recoveries, the movements of the essential commodities has also been closely monitored. As many as 130 vehicles on National Highway 37 and 95 vehicles on National Highway 2 carrying essential items were escorted to ensure their safe passage. Security at the vulnerable locations has been tightened up and security convoys are provided along the sensitive stretches.